Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the new credit card that is coming out tomorrow. It is called the Citi Rewards Plus credit card. So new on the market. Want to get your opinion on it. I know you want to hear my opinion on it. Do I think it's a card that's worth it? Do I think it's a card that we can maybe pass on? Or maybe if this is maybe like a beginner card, a travel card, or anything else in between. So let's get right into the video. Let's talk about it. All right, so again, this card comes out January 10th, which is in about 2 days. This card does not have an annual fee throughout any year, so it is a free card if you want to say as far as the annual fee. There is a 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers. When it comes to the purchases, it is from the day you get the card. Balance transfers, it starts the day you make that transfer over from that other banking institution. So that's pretty cool. And we get to consolidate some debt if you have some debt on other credit cards, which is always good to do. No interest and really catch up on the debts that you have. So make sure you're paying more than the minimum so you can actually catch up within that year on your debts. Now this card does give you 2 points, and their points are called thank you points. So 2 thank you points per dollar. This is only on gas stations and supermarkets though, up to 6,000 in those categories. After that, in those categories, you'll get 1 point per dollar. Every other purchase, regardless of what it is, travel related or anything, is 1 point per dollar. This card kind of gives you the basic, no annual fee, what I like to say, perks, car rental insurance, 90-day return protection, trip cancellation protection, etc. One thing that I do think is really cool about this card though, it reminds me of I believe it's the American Airlines card when it comes to like the what is it called, the when you get a trip for the lowest mile awards. Oh, so the reduced mileage award. I'm sorry about that, I had a little brain fart. So the reduced mileage awards, you get to redeem a certain amount back. So this card actually, you get to redeem 10% of the points back, up to 100,000 points per year. So if you got 100,000 points that you've accrued, 10% of that would be 10,000 points. So that would be pretty cool that you get to redeem that back. It does have a sign-up bonus. If you spend $1,000, which is very easy, within the first 3 months, they give you about 15,000 thank you points, which NerdWallet was kind of rating it at a 3 cents per point. I'm going to maybe say 2 cents per point, which is kind of like around $300 to maybe $400. So that's not a bad sign-up bonus for a card that has no annual fee. But there are other cards in the market that you can kind of compare it to. So like the Citi Double Cash card, you know that card you get 1% when you swipe, and then the other percent when you pay in full or like over time. And it has no cap on the amount. So, and that's on every purchase. Okay, so 1% when you swipe, 1% when you pay. So you have no cap. It's pretty, in my opinion, that's better. And then the Amex Blue Cash Everyday Card, 3% supermarkets and 2% at the gas stations. Now this is up to $6,000 a year, but again with the supermarket, you're getting 3 points per dollar instead of just the 2. So you know, and then it also depends on, you know, do you like Amex or do you like you know, the Visa? So it really depends on your preference as well. So that's the credit card. Honestly, in a nutshell, I think this card is more so for people who are doing like their everyday purchases, not travel or anything like that, because there are so many other cards that can give you so much more perks and bang for your buck. But let me know if this is a card that you're going to be getting. Let me know if this is a card you're going to apply for. Me personally, I'm going to pass on this card. Just not enough for me, even with the sign-up bonus, to kind of look at it at this point in time. I have a couple other cards. Like my favorite no annual fee card, if you guys know me, is the Chase Freedom card with the rotating categories. I just love the idea of it. I love the card. So that's me. That's where I like the Chase Freedom card. Not the Chase Freedom Unlimited, just strictly the Chase Freedom card. Thank you so much for watching this video. comment. Let me know if you're going to get this card or not. Subscribe. Also, it is January, guys, so remember, if you are Amex card holders, it's Christmas. It's Christmas after Christmas. Make sure you are renewing all your credits, your airline credits, Saks Fifth Avenue credits, Uber credits, dining credits, whatever cards you have, whether it's a platinum or gold card. Make sure you are doing those. I do have a bunch of links in the description if you were looking to apply for some of the cards. Help out the channel, also on Amazon as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good day.